So I've been asked to talk a little bit about the marijuana market and the new marijuana companies. And full disclosure, early on we were involved and we did own some of the fledgling marijuana companies in small quantities. And then there was a period of time as well where we thought we might short some of the companies when their valuations had blown up tremendously. And the buying was profitable, the short selling was neutral, and we haven't done anything since then. We've just been an observer as the whole industry headed towards the now legal status of recreational marijuana. So I wonder whether this industry might follow the same path as you often see with a mine, where at the beginning you've got drilling results and maybe it's a gold mine, and you've got evidence of gold, and the share price of the company reflects great potential, great optionality, and it often gets very buoyant. And then a particular period in time, as you head into making a production decision and start to move forward toward production, that's when all of the problems show up: the time delays, the budget overruns, and all of the issues that impact the business. And that's when the share prices tend to retreat. And then ultimately, when the mine is successfully built and generates cash flow, it becomes analyzed and viewed in a more traditional way based on its cash flow stream. So I wonder if the marijuana business industry might not go through the same type of kind of euphoria, and then reality sets in for business, and then ultimately the businesses that survive will be analyzed and valued in a traditional way. So I think right now where we are is we're in that period where the difficulties show up. So the product is now legal. There are shortages currently, but there's enough production facilities around, or fledgling production facilities, that you could see how it could go into oversupply. There's some question about how much of the illegal market will be taken or not taken, and there's certainly a bunch of companies out there whose market capitalizations reflect great euphoria, and not just for the domestic market in Canada, but as Canada as a leader internationally. And I'm just not sure that's the case. I think that businesses that exist close to the equator are going to have a competitive advantage over any producer in a northern climate, a cost advantage. And so we'll see where it all shakes out. But right now we're just an observer.